The business of supercars. Why Ferraris and Lamborghinis are so expensive, and how you can apply their secrets to your own success. What if I told you that the reason Ferraris and Lamborghinis are so expensive has nothing to do with their speed, and everything to do with their business strategy? These machines aren't just cars. They're symbols of power, exclusivity, and success. But here's the real question. How do the wealthy acquire them effortlessly? And how can you use the same strategies to build your own path to wealth? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see luxury in a whole new way. The mystique of supercars. Picture this. You're at a red light when suddenly you hear a deep, thunderous roar. A sleek Ferrari SF90 rolls up next to you, its glossy paint reflecting the city lights. People turn their heads, cameras come out, and in that moment, it's clear this isn't just a car. It's a statement. But why? What makes Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Bugattis so different from the everyday car? It's not just about horsepower or top speed. It's about exclusivity, branding, and one of the most brilliant business models in history. Today, we're going to break down the 5 principles that make supercars so expensive, and more importantly, how you can apply these strategies to build your own success. Step 1. Scarcity creates value. Ferrari intentionally limits production. Even though they could sell more cars, they refuse to flood the market. They make owning a Ferrari a privilege, not a transaction. You don't just buy a Ferrari. You have to be approved for one. This exclusivity drives demand through the roof. What you can do: stop trying to appeal to everyone. Focus on exclusivity. In business, create a product or service that is rare, high value, and desirable. Remember, when something is hard to get, people want it more. Whether it's real estate, branding, or your personal skills become rare, and your value will skyrocket. Step 2. Build a powerful brand identity. Lamborghini doesn't just sell cars. They sell a lifestyle of dominance, speed, and rebellion. Their cars are aggressive, loud, and unapologetically bold. Everything, from the logo to the sound of the engine, is part of their brand. What you can do: your name, your work, your presence, all of it is your brand. Craft an identity that stands out. Be bold, be different, be memorable. Make sure people associate your brand with success, quality, and uniqueness. When people see a Ferrari or Lamborghini, they don't think car. They think status. That's branding power. Step 3. Sell the emotion, not the product. Nobody buys a Lamborghini because they need one. They buy it because of how it makes them feel. Luxury brands know that people buy with emotion first, logic second. What you can do: focus on what your product or service makes people feel. If you're in business, don't sell features. Sell the experience. Whether it's a product, a service, or even your own personal value, make people desire it. Ferrari doesn't sell cars. They sell the feeling of being elite. Step 4. Control the market. Set the rules. Did you know Ferrari has a blacklist? If you resell your Ferrari too soon, you could be banned from buying another one. That's because they control not just their product, but the entire ownership experience. What you can do: in business, don't let others dictate your worth. Set your own rules. If you're providing value, make sure you control the narrative and the demand. Don't just be a player in the market. Own your market. The most successful people don't compete. They create their own playing field. Step 5. Associate with success. Why do billionaires drive Ferraris? Because Ferrari associates itself with winners. From Formula One dominance to being seen in the garages of the ultra-rich, Ferrari positions itself as a brand that belongs to the elite. What you can do: surround yourself with winners. Your network determines your net worth. Align your business, your skills, and your personal brand with excellence and success. Remember, luxury brands don't chase customers. Customers chase them. If you want success, put yourself in the places where success happens. Final thought: the supercar mindset equals the success mindset. Ferraris and Lamborghinis aren't just expensive because they're fast. They're expensive because they've mastered business. They create scarcity, making themselves more valuable. They build a powerful brand, turning products into legends. They sell emotions, not objects, making customers crave ownership. They control the market, setting their own terms. They associate with success, aligning with winners. Now, here's the real question. Which of these strategies will you apply to your own success? Comment below. If you could own any supercar, which one would it be? Like this video if you're ready to elevate your mindset. Subscribe now for more wealth-building strategies, business secrets, and success blueprints. The difference between owning a supercar and just dreaming of one. Execution. Are you ready to shift into high gear?